Most people think that ChatGPT is smart, but the truth is that it's only as smart as the prompt you gave it. Today, I will show you daily prompt beginners should use to save time, learn faster, to get a better result, even if you just started. So by the end of this video, you have simple prompts you can use every single day. And make sure you watch till the end because the last prompt is one of the most powerful. So first of all, before we start, let's quickly understand what prompt is. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT what is prompt, right? Let's see the answer it will give us. Now if you look closely, you see the answer it gave us, right? It said a prompt is what you type into ChatGPT or any AI to tell it what to do. Now if you also look closely, you see simple definition. Prompt equals to instruction plus question or task. This simply means that prompts can be instruction, it can be a question, it can be a task, right? Now let me show you prompts you can actually copy and use every day. Number 1, daily routine prompt. So I'm going to be adding some text on the screen, right, so that you can also follow up. Now this is what I wrote. I said, act like a professional writer. Rewrite this to sound clear and professional. I can't come to work tomorrow and next. Now this is what I want it to rewrite for me. Yeah, I can't come to work tomorrow and next. And this is how I want it to sound, right? That's why I said act like a professional writer. So it's going to write this particular message in a professional way, right? In a professional tool. Now here is the answer it gave me. I won't be able to come to work tomorrow or the following day. So this is because it follows my prompt, which is my instruction. And this prompt is perfect for emails, message, captions, or assignments. Instead of struggling with words, ChatGPT helps you sound confident and clear. Now down to number 2, study and learning prompt. Now if you are a student or self-learner, this prompt is a game changer. You can use it to understand difficult topics without stress. For example, let's say you are a student, right, and you don't understand quantum physics, right? All you have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input your prompt, right? And this was my question. Explain quantum physics to me like I'm a beginner using simple examples. So this simply means it's going to detail it down step by step on how I'll be able to understand it as a beginner. And mind you, you can also add your age when trying to ask your questions, right? Maybe let me say I'm 10 years old. I can just put, explain it to me like a 10 years old or 15 years old or 20 years old, right? And it will help ChatGPT to generate answer that will be suitable for you, right? So number 3, daily planning prompt. So this prompt helps you organize your day without overthinking. It's perfect if you feel overwhelmed or you don't know where to start. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean by helping you plan your day. But before I do that, first of all, I have to input my prompt, right? So let me go ahead and input my prompt. So this was my question. Create a daily plan for me to study 3 hours, work 8 hours, and exercise 1 hour, right? So I have to click on the search button. Let's see the answer it will give us. Now if you look closely, you will see that it detailed everything step by step on how you can be able to achieve this goal, right? And with this, you will know when to study and when to exercise or when to walk, right? It detailed everything step by step. Now let's move forward to number 4, work and business prompt. Now this particular type of prompt turn ChatGPT into your personal assistant. You can use it for work tasks, business idea, or content planning. And I will also show you an example of what I mean by personal assistant, right? Well, first of all, we have to put in our prompt. And this was my question. Act like a professional assistant and help me with this task. Help me write a short marketing plan to promote my YouTube channel this month. Like I always said, all these are my prompts, right? But this is what I want it to sound like. I want it to sound like a professional assistant, right? And this was what I want him to help me with. So he's going to help me to write a marketing plan for my YouTube channel this month, right? But it will sound like a professional assistant. So I have to click on the search button to see the answer it will give us. Like I said, you can also use this in work or business. In fact, in any type of job you are doing, right, you can always apply this prompt and it will give you the exact answer you are looking for, right? Number 5, content creation prompt. Now if you're a content creator, you have to pay attention, right? Because this prompt saves you hours of brainstorming. Maybe you are trying to find a niche or content idea to create. Okay, let's say you are looking for a content idea to create, right? All you have to do is just to go to ChatGPT and input your prompt. Now this is what I wrote. Give me content ideas about AI that beginners will understand, right? So I have to click on the search button. Let's see the answer it will give us. And now if you look closely, you will see that it detailed everything step by step on how I can be able to achieve my goals, right? And with this type of prompt, you can search for any maybe niche or whatever you want to do on content creating, or maybe on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, right? You can just go there, input your prompt and click on the search button. Number 6, problem solving prompt. Now anytime you feel stuck, confused or frustrated, use this prompt. ChatGPT will guide you step by step. So now I have to use algebra as a case study, right? And here is what I wrote. Break down how to solve this algebra problem step by step. 2x plus 5 equals to 15. Now we have to find x, right? So I have to click on search and see the answer it will give me. So like I requested, it solved the math step by step and gave me the answer I was looking for, right? So this way you can solve any type of math you want to solve using this prompt. Number 7, skill improvement. This is one of the most powerful prompts beginners should use every day. It helps you learn faster and stay consistent, right? So let me say I want to learn how to edit videos on CapCut, right? All I have to do is to go to ChatGPT and input my prompt. Now this is what I wrote. Teach me how to edit videos in CapCut step by step as a beginner and give me daily practice tasks. Now as you can see, it will give you step by step on how you can edit on CapCut, and after that it will also give you a daily task. So I also have to say this. One mistake beginners make is asking short questions. Always add context and tell ChatGPT how you want the answer to be. That alone can improve your results by 10 times. For example, explain how to start YouTube channel for beginners in Nigeria. Give examples step by step and make it easy to follow. Remember, ChatGPT is not magic, your prompts are. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe, because I'm posting ChatGPT tutorial videos every day for 30 days. And comment prompt and I will reply you with more prompt tutorials.